Boost your online presence with free AI tools. ChatGPT generates website content. Claude creates social media posts. Midjourney designs stunning visuals. DALL-E produces unique images. Canva makes graphic design easy. Notion AI streamlines workflows. 11 Labs edits audio clips. Runway creates 3D models fast. Perplexity answers complex questions. Leonardo AI optimizes marketing plans. These tools save time and money. They help you grow your business. Use them to automate tasks. Focus on high-level strategy. Improve your digital marketing skills. Stay ahead of the competition. Free AI tools are game changers. They level the playing field. Small businesses can thrive now. Large corporations use them too. Everyone benefits from AI tools. Let's count down the top tools. 10. Canva for graphic design. 9. Notion AI for workflow. 8. 11 Labs for audio edits. 7. Runway for 3D models. 6. Perplexity for complex answers. 5. Leonardo AI for marketing. 4. DALL-E for unique images. 3. Midjourney for stunning visuals. 2. Claude for social media. 1. ChatGPT for website content. Try these free AI tools today. Take your marketing to the next level. Automate and optimize your workflow. Grow your online presence fast. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Start using free AI tools now. This is part 6 of the free AI tools series. Subscribe to catch part 7 and more. Learn about new AI tools every week. Stay up to date with the latest trends. Improve your digital marketing skills now. Subscribe and hit the notification bell.